how we can delete those items that we've added on our Zoho book and we are no more interested in having them on the list, or we made a mistake and we want to change it, how to delete it permanently. And let's go right into it. All you need to do is to log into your Zoho Books. Once you log into your Zoho Book dashboard, here you are going to be seeing your interface. Once you get to this place, all you need to do is to come to where you have item and click on item again. It will load and show you all the list of the services or the products or the things that you have set up that you sell. So right now I'll be using some of this as an example to show you how you can permanently delete some that you don't actually need. Click on that particular one that you actually want to delete. First of all, I'll be showing us how we can delete the product or the services that we no longer want to have on our item list. So just click on it, let it load up and open up this interface for you. Then you come down to this right hand side at the upper part where you have more. Click on more and you are going to see mark as inactive or delete. So I don't want my profile to be jam-packed with unwanted items, so I will just delete it permanently. You click on delete, you click on that delete and it will ask you this question: do you really want to delete this item? Then you click on delete again and boom, it will be deleted. You can see it at the upper part that shows green, that item had been deleted. So let's go again. If there is any other one, you click on it again, let it load up, come to your right hand side where you have more, click on that more. To pop up this box, click on delete, then you click on delete again and you will have the item has been deleted. So that is how you delete any unwanted item that you added to your list, either while you were practicing or by mistake, or you made a mistake in it. So that is how you delete. Now, welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Shuladvem 247. Let's proceed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share to those who might also need it, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.